Hi, everybody. Isn't it a day? I bet my butt something extra special is about to happen.
Prepare to die.
Who said that?
It's me, Goofy the Great, and I'm about to do
the morning shower.
Watch me. Pretend you didn't see that.
Ladies and gentlemen, and you too, here he is.
Michael Rosen.
Huh? Whoa! Pretend you didn't see that.
Donald, shush, shush, shush.
That's not part of the trick.
Oh dear, now that Pluto's dog has disappeared, where will he take a nap?
Goofy, can you do some more magic and bring Pluto's dog back?
No.
Well, where do they go after they disappear?
Beats me.
I know how to open it.
Oh,
Donald, you'd have to be Donald to get Donald.
give up. What we need is a mouse.
I'm a prisoner of my own lunch. Anyone care?
No. Ooh.
I'm great. And I made a duck.
I made a duck.